These days, living in the burbs is more popular than ever. A home with acres of land and a quiet neighborhood certainly beats a sky-high penthouse in an overcrowded city. If you've yet to decamp from your major city of choice, then you're in luck, as this Connecticut home has just listed for $15 million, and it's got pretty much all the amenities that you may be missing in your urban condo. The European-style brick Chateau is in New Canaan, Connecticut, a tiny part of Fairfield County that's best known for its architectural history. Careful attention was paid to finishes, with high aesthetic standards reminiscent of European stately homes. The entryway, for example, has high ceilings, a curved staircase, and columns. Just off this main space is a music room, a space dedicated solely to a grand piano that could be repurposed into a small office, and the living room, which has a sunken floor. The right wing of the home houses the dining room and sleek modern kitchen, as well as a gym, spa, and sauna. Two offices also occupy the first level, plus a two-story library with a circular staircase leading to the wine cellar below and the primary suite above. The second floor features a master suite with oval bedroom, large sitting room, his and her bathrooms and closets, and large dressing room. In addition, 5 ensuite bedrooms and sitting rooms. Outside sits a spectacular pool, tennis court, pond, and fountain, all overlook this magnificent property. The spectacular landscaping was designed in a circular pattern to complement the classical shape of the main structure. The guest house is 2,000 square feet and has its own kitchen. Of course, one of the most over-the-top and sought-after features of this property is its underground garage, which can stylishly house up to 25 of your prized automobiles. The home is ideal if you're looking to ditch your city digs for a 6-acre parcel with dedicated space for your autos. There's also a game room on this subterranean level.